Can you guess where we're going? We are waiting for a lift to come grab us to go into work because we have a full day of work, and then where do we go?
Colorado.
Yep, off to Colorado for her birthday. Dirty, 30, flirty, and fine.
It's gonna be a long day.
We've never seen the terminal this empty. I can whisper and you can probably still hear me.
We should probably travel in the middle of the week more often.
Yeah. Yeah, who would have thought that Wednesday travel was the day to go? Or not? Wait. Oh. Old school.
We're about an hour and a half early.
Yeah.
So
Probably the earliest we've been in a while.
got a salad.
I'm doing some editing.
Just gonna hang out. Relax. I'm turning 30.
Yes. Turn 30.
Now you're not dating a 29-year-old. Or marrying. That's what I mean.
Well, I never was going to.
No, you weren't.
Open the door.
I'm an adult.
Okay.
I wish I get like a birthday shot on Southwest. That'd be tight. Birthday shot when you fly? Come on. Help me sleep.
Welcome to Denver.
Where the wind cuts right through ya.
Yeah, it does.
It is cold, which is good.
Got ourselves a car.
No four-wheel drive, so hopefully we'll be okay. Does this come with chains?
Nope.
You didn't ask?
I checked and they don't give you change, and they don't allow chains to be used with their cars because they potential for damage. Is that an all-wheel drive? If it is, I'm kind of pissed.
It is an all-wheel drive.
God damn it. I would have totally paid for that.
They told you there was none. For record's sake, I hate keeping keto on vacation. It's not fun, especially at 11 o'clock at night when there's nothing open but bars and sports pubs with nachos and shit. I'm hangry. And we've landed on Wingstop.
Pretty much the only thing that we can find something that we can eat while keeping keto this late at least. We're both cranky. And we're using an ironing board as a table. Ooh, veggie sticks. Is it literally just carrots?
No, they're celery and bun.
Veggie sticks.
They're lightly breaded.
Yeah, I saw
Okay.
that.
Whatever.
I think we've been trying to do this, but we've been just all over the place since we got off the plane. So we're in Denver. We're doing a quick little stop off, and then tomorrow morning we go up to, well, we got to figure out where we're going. We're either going to Breckenridge, Keystone, or Vail. Probably Breckenridge or Keystone because they're closer. Anyway, that's our plan. We're gonna eat and go to sleep because we gotta be up early. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Until then.
Push us against the world. Bye.